In this video, we'll be looking at how to import an operating system to our Microsoft Deployment Workbench. So to begin, you are going to open your Microsoft Deployment Workbench by going through the Start menu option. So once you have it open, you're going to expand your deployment shell which you created earlier, and get to right click on Import Operating System. So in this case, we are importing a full set of software. So but before you go ahead, you must first mount your image to a drive. So I'm going to download, and I'm going to mount this to my disk drive. So it's on F. So we can proceed now. I'm going to click next to import a full set of operating system. I'll browse to the part where it's installed or mounted. So we mounted it to F drive, so that's fine. I'll click OK and then next. So I'm going to click next, finish. So if we go back to our operating system, here you go, Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation image. If you have any issue importing your operating system, it's always okay to go back to your source directory and check the source file. You want to go to your image folder, go to the source directory and search for this. The format must be in .wim, X is going to throw an error. So thank you.